Top 5 Best Car Humidifiers. Number 5 on our list is BofA Carry Oil Diffuser. Specifications. Brand name, BofA Carry. Item height, 3.5 centimeters. Voltage, 12 volts. TEM length, 14.1 centimeters. Material type, ABS. Item weight, 0.28 kilograms. Item width, 10.3 centimeters. Model name, Car USB cooling fan. Power, 10 watts. Switch type, rotary switch. Number 4 on our list is Essential Oil Diffuser. Specifications. Brand name, Sikuso. Certification, none. Capacity, 1 liter. Power, W, 7 watts. Noise, 36 dB. Voltage, V, 6 volts. Humidification method, mist discharge. Number 3 on our list is 550 ml electric aroma diffuser. Specifications. Brand name, no N name _ null. Capacity, 1 liter. Power, W, 2 watts. Voltage, V, 5 volts. Noise, 36 dB. Application, 11 to 20. Humidity control, touchtone. Classification, humidification. Power type, A, C source. Operation method, remote control. Number 2 on our list is BofA Car Air Humidifier. Specifications. Brand name, BofA. Origin, CN origin. Power mode, USB. Rated power, 5 watts. Certification, CE, FCC, RoW HS. Size, 70 x 70 152.5 millimeters. Capacity, 300 milliliters. Material, aluminum alloy. Input, 5 volts/1A. Feature, with LED light. Number 1 on our list is Mini Air Humidifier. Specifications. Power mode, USB. Rated power, 2 watts. Certification, none. Type, USB Mini Air Humidifier. Style, fashion. Capacity, 200/283 hundredths of a milliliter. Occasion, bedroom/car/office.